Today, as you saw in the opening skit, we're going to be giving you guys some hacks on how to transform dry and a healthy scalp into shiny hair and a healthy scalp. So make sure to take notes. Hello, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. For a lot of you Wishtrenders, it's probably the first time you've seen me. My name is Luisa and I'm originally from California, now living and working in Seoul. I'm really excited to be here today. I'll be joining you guys on BeautyHACKers from now on, and I'm so excited to share some great hacks with you here on Wishtrend TV. Please give me a warm welcome. In our last episode, we shared with you guys some hacks about how to create various makeup looks using one BB cream. Did you guys check it all out? So if you didn't check it out already, go check it out. Go! Today, as you saw in the opening skit, we're going to be giving you guys some hacks on how to transform dry and an unhealthy scalp into shiny hair and a healthy scalp. So make sure to take notes. But wait! Before we go into the DIY hair care hacks, let's go over some tips that most of us actually fail to do. Tip 1. Brush your hair before shampooing. Before you shampoo, divide your hair and brush your hair in the opposite direction it grows. If you shampoo your hair while it's tangled, you can lose a lot of hair. Brushing your hair before shampooing can help to remove dust, foreign substances, and impurities before shampooing. Brushing your hair also promotes higher metabolism on the scalp, relaxing the scalp. This is a good habit for healthier hair and scalp. The method is simple. Divide your hair into 3 sections and comb your hair 20 to 30 times. Easy, right? If you want to brush your hair after it's damp, make sure to use a wide-tooth natural wooden comb. But it is always better to brush your hair dry. Tip 2. The right temperature for washing your hair. It is important to thoroughly dampen your hair. Water temperature of about 36 to 38 degrees Celsius, close to your body temperature, is adequate. Cold water isn't fully effective in removing all the impurities, while hot water can make your hair dry and your scalp dry as well, so it's not recommended. Just think of your hair as the same as your skin. Also, when shampooing, create a lot of foam in your palms and use this to cleanse your scalp. This is because the product itself, rather than the bubbles, can be irritating to the scalp. While hair and scalp care is very important, it's really important to stick to these basic rules. It seems like a small thing, but if you don't keep it, it's really bad for you. From now on, refer back to these tips while shampooing. Now, let's get on to the real hair care hacks. Hack 1. Highly concentrated hairspray. Those that have damaged hair, this is for you. When doing hair care with a treatment, it's slimy and uncomfortable when you apply it to wet hair, right? And also, it's really irritating on your scalp. We've come to you with super easy hacks to create a highly personalized hairspray to care for your hair using your normal hair oil and hair treatment. What you need: hair treatment, hair oil or jojoba oil, water, and a spray gun. 1. Add 3 parts of hair treatment to the spray gun. 2. Add 1 part of the hair oil or jojoba oil. Jojoba oil makes hair shinier and prevents frizz. 3. Add 5 parts water. If your hair treatment is watery, you can add less water. 4. Spray to dry hair and rinse after 15 to 20 minutes. Voila! Silky smooth hair. Those with oily hair can finish off with shampooing their hair. Doing this 1 to 2 times is fine, but we recommend you to use this 3 to 4 times if you have damaged hair. Hack 2. DIY natural hair mask. This hack makes the hair healthier, which is ideal for people who don't want to lose hair. This hack makes the scalp healthier, making it great for those concerned with hair loss. What you need: banana, olive oil, and saran wrap. Blood circulation, improving the health of the scalp. Bananas are high in vitamin A and C, which helps with the regeneration of the epidermis on the scalp. And it's matching my shirt today. Vitamin E also makes hair shinier and helps improve blood circulation for a healthier scalp. 1. Take off the skin and blend the banana. If the mixture is lumpy, it's difficult to rinse off. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix. 3. Evenly apply the banana mask from the roots to tips of your hair. 4. Wrap your hair with saran wrap and wrap it once more with a towel. Leave on for 10 minutes. 5. Shampoo for a healthy scalp. Hack 3. Sebum Absorbing Green Tea Hair Mask. What you need: green tea powder and egg whites. Green tea masks have antibacterial effects, helping them to be effective in removing excess sebum oil, as well as adding silkiness and strength to your hair through various vitamins and minerals. 1. Mix green tea powder and egg whites in a 1:1 ratio. Then apply the mixture to shampooed hair. 3. Rinse off with warm water after 5 minutes. Take caution to stay away from water that is too hot. This marks the end of our video. What did you think? We hope these 3 hair mask hacks will help you on the road to beautiful and healthy hair. If you know any other hacks, share them with us and your fellow Wishtrenders in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Our next video is a new episode of Wishtrend TV versus acne. I heard they're going to let you know how to choose a sunscreen that's mild enough even for acne-prone skin. Even I get worried about using my regular sunscreen if I have a pimple. So if you have the same concern as me, make sure to go check it out. Now it's time for me to go, but see you in the next helpful episode of Beauty Hackers. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are beautiful just as you are. Bye bye, see you next time.